been a big deal, right? So for the last 10 years, I've been fighting. It feels good to finally have the relief and the certainty of knowing that I don't have to fight anymore over this like basic rights that I've always felt were true. But it's been difficult. A lot of kind of anguish and stress, and so I feel really relieved. I think citizenship is not just rights, but it's also obligations, and you have a duty to the country where you hold citizenship. And I think it's very dangerous to conflate criminal actions with citizenship. It's not a privilege the government decides to grant you, it's a right you have. And so if you do commit acts of terrorism or other things, you should be charged for them, but I don't think it should be directly tied to your citizenship. Why would a person who grew up his whole life being Canadian and never setting foot in a country decide that, okay, I will just swear allegiance to a nation and risk my life and possibly, spend the rest of my life in prison, as my parents were facing, for a country he has no connection to? It doesn't make sense, and it doesn't make sense for my parents to have told him anything, because they would just be endangering him, endangering themselves. And I think, the allegations are just there to make me and my brother's lives more difficult. I really doubt anybody seriously thinks I'm a threat to national security. Like I said, it's politically driven. How would I be a threat in any way, right? On the other end, like you said, people coming and having their children, it's similar. People don't go and have their kids because they think, oh, it'll be fine. People have children because they want a family. They want to, have their own lives and all this. And I really don't think it factors into people's decisions about where to go. And in terms of sending a message, again, if people commit crimes, charge them for it in the court of law. Tying kind of immigration, citizenship to all these issues, I think, is not the right way to go about it.